I'm stepping out here in Kibagabaga or Chibagabaga. Yes, I'm going to Kimironko. It's my last day here in Kigali. I am going to Kimironko Market. I want to see if I can get something, and then I want to fix my hair. You know, I am in Kigali, so I need to fix that. And I fix my nails. They do very nice job here. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and it has been raining since last night. You see, that's the weather. See, it will rain again. Honestly, I just came from there. That's where I've been staying for the last 4-5 days. Yep. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is Chibagabaga area. Like the sun is out, like it never rained. Interesting. So I will take you along with me. We'll explore not Kibagabaga, Kimironko Market. And yeah, let's see what else we can do there. This guy is the one making my hair. He's doing it so well. So guys, I am in the market. This is Kimironko Market, as you can see from my background. This lady, I bought from her last year as well when I came here, and surprisingly I remembered her. I had to go all the way from, you know, you can see all the way from there looking for her. Can you imagine? Yeah, and this is her stuff. So this is cassava flour. She sell brown nuts. She sell, I don't know what's that. She sell a lot of things here. Guys, this is Kimironko Market. So big. It goes all the way to the other side. Okay, up to the other side. So big. Up to the other side, and they sell all kinds of grains here. You see this? Corn. Wow. Very nice. Video of what you have.
Yes.
So it's nice souvenirs here. Necklaces.
Earrings.
Oh, you have lots of earrings here. Wow.
And some tips.
This is my store.
Ah, this is for you. Oh, nice. Wow. What? But make it like this.
Like that?
So how to?
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, like this.
Look.
Try to dance or traditional dancing, you know? Learn a traditional dancing.
Like,
Yes.
yeah, like that. Like this.
And what is this one? In Kimironko Market, I met friends.
Yes,
My name
this
is
Emmanuel.
And JJ. You're most welcome. You know.
Kigali Rwanda.
Thank you so much.
She's beautiful, by the way.
See you next
Thank
time.
you.
Ana kugaragara nabi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Murakaza Mori Stone
Wow.
It's not cheap, it's not expensive.
I know.
If you go in cafes and
Yes, this is this one.
get this one.
Yes, exactly. I have this one myself. Yeah, this place is so big.
Check there.
I found myself in Kigali Heights. I wasn't even planning to come here, honestly. Yeah, so the view is so good.